and it just like looks so wiggy. So I'm terrified of wigs because like Hey, it's Paige Lene. Welcome back if you subscribed, and hello if you're new. Today we're going to be talking about drum roll please or whatever that was. I got a wig, y'all, and I've never had a wig. Well, basically, I'm gonna claim that I haven't. So I really haven't. I had a wig one time. Okay, quick story time. And okay, see, my thoughts be everywhere. Anyways, quick story time. I had a wig in like 2017 because I was competing for Miss Indiana Teen USA and I wanted to try one. And the woman that did it was so sweet, but like I think like lace fronts and all that stuff was kind of like just now being a big thing, and it just like looks so wiggy. So I'm terrified of wigs because like that same day I went to school and I have a guy best friend, and he like, we were in class and I was sitting on the ground so he could see over my head, and he was like, what did you do differently to your hair? I was from him like, what did you do to your hair? You got your hair, he's like, you just got your hair done? And you know, if a guy says something, then sis, like no, if they can notice some lashes or some hair looking sideways, it's gotta go. So I literally took my hair out that night. But anyways, yes, that's my first wig story or whatever. So this is my real first wig. So very excited. But besides that, I feel like I'm rambling. But anyways, I'm gonna start having a segment, I think, called What's the Tea, Sis? Because I have so many funny stories, and my friends, I mean, they be claiming I'm funny, and I think I'm funny, so. I said, you don't get no teeth. I was so embarrassed. That was embarrassing. I was like, oh my God. I didn't even ask my number, and I was like, okay. Hello? Like, I'm trying to get out of here. I'm just gonna start like just being raw and like, you know, put my stories out there, I guess. But we're gonna see. So I might be dropping that in between on my videos. I feel like I've been doing a lot of hair stuff, but I mean, why not? So anyways, yeah, let's do a little unboxing. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that it came in. It looks like a little shoe box, and it says MyFirstWig. First and foremost, they are not paying me to make this YouTube video. I am doing a TikTok collaboration with them. So if you want to watch my TikTok videos that have to do with this wig, go ahead and follow me at Paige Lene, and you'll see the videos on there. The YouTube review is just all for my page. I just want to do a review on it since I'm not used to doing wigs. So it says MyFirstWig, quality wigs for beginners. So let's get into it. And it also came like this and then wrapped up. So like, I guess this is a wig stand. Yeah, it's a wig stand. Cute. So I'm assuming it is. I really don't know if it is, but it looks like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down here and pull the stuff out. So this is what it looks like, the box. Packaged all cute. So they gave me, I know it comes with a headband, but they gave me headbands to go on top. So I got this cute little print. I'm not much of like a big print person, so I don't think I'll wear this. I love leopard print though, so I will be wearing this one. And if anybody saw my Halloween costume this year, I made a whole leopard outfit, so this would have been perfect. So yeah, those are on top. The next we have the wig. So here we go. Yeah, we're gonna unzip this bad boy. So we got the wig cap. I mean, this is very nice for someone that doesn't know about wigs. It comes with everything. So got the deluxe wig cap, not one, but two, what they say, two pieces. So yeah, we good with that. Matches my skin tone, well, basically. And then here we go. All right, here's the wig, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, I pulled it out because I was excited before I unboxed it, for real. So I wanted to see. So this is not how they wrapped it. I wrapped it like this. Okay, so I had some stuff in my hands. But here's the wig. It feels very good. Very, very good. I need to get like my actual brush and pull out these curls. There's a paper with all the information on what type of wig this is. I just saw it. Here we go. Okay, so I have order information. I have the HBW034. The order number, okay, that's my order number. Texture, silky, okay? Only that silk. I need it to look like my real hair. 20 inches, because you know, I got it 20 inches because I know I'm wearing my hair like, this is technically not short, but like when I do half up, half down, and when I curl it, I don't want it to look that short. So 100% Indian Remy hair, real hair, y'all. I can dye it, iron it. I'm so excited to like just put my hair back and wear this. Natural hair color, the cap size is cap 1 because my head is a circumference of like, I think my head is like 21 inches and their smallest is like 21 and a half. So y'all can't say I have a big head. And then cap construction, headband wig, lace color black. So I am going to go put this on and I'm gonna come back in the camera because I don't wanna look crazy on camera because I don't really know, like, maybe I should show y'all. No, okay, I'm gonna put it on and maybe I'll take it off and like put it back on. But yeah, this is what it looks like, not styled. I'll probably put my own little waves in there, but let me just get it's not kinky at all. It literally feels so good. And nothing's wrong with kinky, I just like this style. You know, I gotta put a little PSA out because they be trying to cancel everybody. I'm not even on to be canceled, but just in case. But yeah, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. Like, look at this. And my microlinks update, I've had my microlinks for about a month, and honestly, I've pulled out so many of them by probably being too rough or I don't know. But you can kind of start to see my hair and then the links. It's still hanging in there. The ponytail looks okay, but I'm ready for this wig. So, okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna go put it on for you guys and then give a review. So I am back and I am holding it up because I don't have a ponytail holder. And this is how I like to wear my hair, like half up, half down. Okay, so disclaimer, you know I have a lot of hair, so I don't really know how to put on a wig, so I literally just balled it up in the back and then put on the wig cap. So if it looks a little humpy, that's because my hair is not braided down yet. But yeah, this is what, let me drop it. This is what the hair looks like. When I tell y'all the hair keeps falling out my hands because it is so silky. Oh, hold on. Look at the edges, let me swoop the edges down. But yeah, this might be my little go-to. I might trim it. I might trim it just a little bit because when I have hair that's like all the way down here, it makes me think about when I was like 18 doing a pageant. And nothing's wrong with that. I just feel younger with long hair, but it's so easy. This is like it's gonna be such a go-to. Like, look how cute this is. And once I really do my edges, I can even pull, I feel like pulling my hair out will make it look so real, because my hair texture matches it and my hair color matches it really, really good. Also, like just showing a little bit of your hair, so it just looks like you have on a headband. And look at this. And then I've also seen the videos where the girls pull this hair through, or maybe I take my hair and I like swoop it. Oh, not like that. That was not it. But I think I need to swoop my bang, so maybe I'll gel my bang down, then put on the wig, and then we'll have a whole nother hairstyle. So with this headband wig, you can, let me switch back. You can do a ponytail, so I can literally grab all of this, and all I gotta do is just, it has a little strap that you like strap it down to in the back, the headband. But you can do a full ponytail, okay, low ponytail. You can do a high ponytail, okay, bring it all the way up here. Cute. This literally looks like how my hair is with a full ponytail. What else was I gonna say? Half up, half down, how I started. Super, super cute. Maybe a bang and a swoop. What else could you do? I've seen the girls like pull it all to one side. I'm sure there's a way you can like hide the headband as much as you want. Oh, you can do half up, half down. I've seen girls literally put the wig back here and take their real hair and pull it all up here. It was really cool. So I probably will do, so I don't bore you guys and I'm talking about a lot at once, but I will probably do an updated video on like how many styles you can do with this and just show you them all and like show you guys like me doing it. I know I just threw the wig on and I didn't show you guys how I put it on, so I will probably do that in the next video if you guys like need instructions on like how to put it on. But it's so simple. There's a clip right here, a clip right here, a clip right here, and a clip in the back, or comb, excuse me, there's a comb, so it looks like this. So the combs go back in your head, so if you get to fighting and this is pulling on your wig, it's in your head, you know, like it's literally there. And then this strap is the headband. So you just put that like that. Let's grab one of the, let me grab one of the headbands so y'all can see an additional headband. And you can buy whatever headband you want to go over this. This is just what they provided, which is so sweet. They have a wig cap. They have MyFirstWig with a little comb to do your baby hairs. I love these clips. I am so obsessed with these clips. They're the best when you're straightening your hair. And I haven't even styled it yet. Like, this is just how it naturally comes. And I don't even need to do anything to it. But I could do it straight. I could add some like curly curls. This is the headband. Oh, this is like a thick headband too. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and put this headband on. Hopefully the wig doesn't come off. That would be embarrassing. Okay, there we go. And then I guess we just slide this right over. It matches my sweater. Y'all, hold on. Y'all, let me get up in the camera. I have such a weird camera angle today because I'm on my couch. Like, oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on. There we go. I feel like I'm at such a weird angle and I'm on my knees. Okay, get into it. Oh, I done wipe my edges away. Hold on. Okay, there we go. No, for real, get into it, y'all. Oh, don't ask no questions if y'all see me walking down the street with my headband wig on, and y'all better not pull it. Look at this. It's giving everything that it needs to give. Not the glasses, okay. But I love putting my glasses on my forehead. But anyways, y'all, this is giving. It's giving. Tell me it's not giving in the comments because I dare you. Like, look at this. Y'all, it looks like my hair. Wow, I'm amazed. My first wig, I don't have nothing bad to say. This is amazing. If you're thinking about getting a wig, MyFirstWig. What they say, quality wigs for beginners. I cannot wait. Like, I'm gonna wear this tonight. I'm going to a little game night with Acacia, so I'll probably style it, and then y'all will see me on Instagram. Add me on Instagram, Paige Lene, if you already do not follow your girl. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm like looking in here like, we love it, we love it. Okay, that's it for the review. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for this week. If you like this video and you like this headband wig, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below or DM me. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to take this YouTube seriously. I love everybody that tunes into this video. If you're still watching right now, thank you. Like I said, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will have videos and pictures of the hair. If you have a homegirl that's been debating about getting these headband wigs, I mean, I've had like my sisters call me like, Paige, what do you think about the headband wigs? I haven't even tried them yet. But these are the new hottest things. I'll be scrolling on Instagram and seeing it. So listen, go ahead and tap in, send this video to somebody. I'm gonna see y'all next week. Much love.